Welcome back. This is 5.3, and I was just getting ready to do number 9, and I noticed that there are numbers here. These are called limits of integration. And if I take a look at the fundamental theorem of calculus part 1, the definite integral evaluation theorem, it says if f is a continuous on the interval from a to b, then the integral from a to b of f of x dx is capital F of b minus capital F of a, where capital F of x is the antiderivative of f. So we are going to be doing a computation. So I'm going to start with number 9, and here's what we do. We do the antiderivative of this, which is x to the 6 over 6, no more integral, and I learned to do it this way where I put a vertical line here, and I put my 1 and my 2 at this vertical line. And then we substitute 2 in here, so this will be 2 to the 6th over 6, and then we subtract the 1 to the 6th over 6. So this is my f, capital F, the antiderivative of b minus the capital F of a. Okay, over here. Now, what am I talking about? I am talking about the integral from a to b of f of x dx is capital F of b minus capital F of a. And notice that we put the top one in first on the interval. And you know what an interval looks like along the x-axis of this little function here. So my a is this one and my b is this one. So I put you put the top one in first. That's why I did this little thing. Put the 2 and then put the 1 and subtract them. So this is 2 to the 6th over 6 minus 1/6. So what's 2 to the 6th? 2 power 6 is 64 over 6 minus 1/6, giving 63 over 6. All right, our first definite integral. It's called definite because look, we get a number. Up here we were getting this plus c every time, and we're getting a antiderivative. Now we get an antiderivative, and we're going to put values into it. Let's look at number 10. Number 10 says the integral from 1 to 3 of 6x squared minus 5 dx. All right, so we're going to do our integral 6x to the 3rd over 3 minus 5x. Now we're going to have, these are called limits of integration. And this 3 goes to the 2 times, so I really have 2x to the 3rd. So first of all, you plug in the 3. So this is equal to 2 parenthesis 3 to the 3rd power minus 5 times 3, like that. So there's your f of b minus parenthesis, important here, parentheses. We're going to put the 1 into that. So we get 2 times 1 cubed minus 5 times 1. Now I'll make sure I plug this all in, right? So it's 2, 3 to the 3rd minus 5 times 3 minus the 1 plugged in. So that's going to be 2 times 2, 1 to the 3rd minus 5 times 1. Okay, good. So I got this. And now it's a lot of arithmetic here. This is 2 times 20, so 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27, minus 15, minus 1 to the 3rd is 1, so we get 2 minus 5 here. So 27 times 2, what's that? 27 times 2 is 54. And 54 minus 15 minus, 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So it's going to be plus 3. So whatever 54 minus 15 plus 3 is, it is 42. All right, so fun with arithmetic, you guys. I'll be back for number 11.